The Chinese Navy releases a new video of the J-15 fighter aircraft, one of China's most advanced military aircraft. The J-15, also known as the Flying Shark, is a carrier-based fighter jet developed by China to operate from aircraft carriers. Recently, the J-15th Fleet has made headlines for their patrols near the Japanese and American Guam Island regions aboard China's first liaison aircraft carrier. As China continues to expand its military capabilities, the J-15 fighter jet will no doubt play a key role in their efforts to advance. Its impressive technology and capabilities make it a force to be reckoned with, and its recent activities demonstrate China's growing presence in the region. While there are concerns regarding the potential for conflict in the region, it is important to recognize the impressive technological achievement that the J-15 represents. China's fighter jets and aircraft carrier fleet. As we continue to monitor developments in the region, it is clear that the Chinese Navy is poised to become a major player in the world. For years to come, J-15 fighter pilots have conducted air combat and aerial refueling training even at night, demonstrating their impressive capabilities in a variety of scenarios. Finally, the video shows the Chinese carrier's deck operations, including the crew sweeping the flight deck. This shows the level of care and caution that goes into maintaining this advanced military aircraft and the dedication of the crew responsible for its operation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Thank you.